Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very different from the usual videos that I usually do. So in today's video I'm going to be chit-chatting with you all, and I actually asked you all to ask me certain questions on Instagram related to my personal life or just some general questions, and I strictly mentioned no skincare, hair care and makeup questions, so I'm not going to be answering them, but I'll definitely answer all of the other questions that you all asked me. So firstly, if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me right now. The direct link to my Instagram handle is in the description box below. That way we'll be able to connect more, we'll be able to talk more, and I'm going to be doing a lot of chit chat videos in the future, so we can definitely interact more often. And yeah, without any further ado, let me just quickly start answering all of your questions. So I'm going to be doing some skincare while I talk to you guys, and the first question is, what's the most embarrassing moment in your life? So before I tell you the story, I'm just going to wash my face first, and I'm using this Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash, which comes with a brush. This has both vitamin C and turmeric in it, which give you an amazing glow on your skin post washing. So the first embarrassing moment happened to me when I was 9 years old, and my mom was taking me to a dentist, and before we left the house she asked me to pee because I am someone who cannot control her pee even today. So she asked me to pee first before we left, and I did not listen to her. I was like in my own sweet world, and we just left for the dentist. And while we were there was a huge queue, so we had to wait for a while, and by the time my turn came, I had to pee very badly and it was uncontrollable for me. I told my mom that I have to pee, let's go home, we'll visit the dentist some other time, and she just started yelling at me. She was like, I told you first that, go and pee, you didn't listen to me, now you have to bear the consequences, etc. So I just sat there in the dentist's chair, and he was doing something in my mouth, and at that time the situation just went out of hand, and I just peed right there in his chair. Yeah, I know that's so embarrassing. I can't believe I'm letting this out for the first time. So yeah, I peed right there in his chair, and my mom got so angry, she actually made me clean it. She actually did that. And when we went home, when we returned, I actually ran inside the house, and I went to my grandparents' bedroom and hid under the bed. That's how scared I was of my mom, because I knew aaj to mera khel khatam. I was literally going to be killed today by my mom. But luckily she did not hit me or anything. She just told me that next time if you don't pee, I'm not taking you anywhere. And I was saved that day. That's one of the most embarrassing moments of my life. I can't believe I just let this out in public. Anywho, I'm just gonna wash this off and come back. Okay, so the next question is, what was your first impression about Akash, and who proposed first, you or him? Okay, so I'm just gonna use this Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Toner. This again contains vitamin C and cucumber, and it's amazing for pore tightening and also to provide a glow. All vitamin C products from Mamaearth provide a glow on your skin. So about Akash, when I first saw him, that's when I was in the first year, and it was the first day of college, and we were all seated in the class. We were in the same class, and what happened was he was sitting on the bench next to the window. So when ma'am just turned her back to write on the blackboard, he wanted to sneak out, and what he did was he just jumped out of the window and then stood in the corridor and started waving at his friends, and everyone was looking at him, and I was shook. I couldn't really believe how can someone be so mischievous to actually do something like this. How can someone have the guts to sneak out behind the teacher's back, out of the window? And yeah, so my first impression about him was that he's a very mischievous person, and he's immature and he's funny and all of that. That's what I thought about him first. And about who proposed to whom, well, he proposed to me first after 2 years of knowing me, and I said yes to him within a week when he proposed to me. So that happened. Okay, so the next question is, are you planning for a baby any sooner? When are you gonna have a baby? Are you guys planning for a baby? I literally have my entire question section flooded with this question. So I'm using this Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. This contains vitamin C and turmeric, which add to the glow onto your skin. We're actually going out today, tonight actually, and I needed like a nice glow on my skin before I could leave the house. तो अभी शाम को मैं सारा ग्लो वाला स्किन केयर कर रही हूँ, so that I can go to sleep for an hour or two because I have to like stay up all night, and I want my skin to like glow and all of that because I'm meeting my old friends after a really long time. So to answer your question, no, we are not planning for a baby yet. We haven't even thought through this because we're still in our, lovey-dovey phase. We're still in our honeymoon phase, so we haven't even thought about a baby yet. I don't think we'll be planning one at least this year. So when it happens, it'll happen. We haven't really planned about it. So yeah, I don't have much to say about this, but when it happens, you guys will be the first ones to know, that's for sure. So I've applied the serum on my skin and it's so non-sticky and non-oily. It's made my skin extremely smooth and soft, and yeah, I do see a visible glow like right after applying the serum. Next question is, are you a book person or a movie person? Well, I'm going to be using this Mamaearth Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. This has vitamin C and aloe vera, and it's going to add to the glow on my skin and it's going to hydrate my skin at the same time. So I'm going to apply this and like sleep for an hour or two. Ideally, you're supposed to apply this at night and go to bed, and in the morning you'll have an amazing glow on your skin. I've already used this a couple of times, and yeah, I save it for occasions like these. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. And to answer your question, I'm actually more of a movie person because when there's a movie which is based on a book, I'd rather watch the movie than read the book. I know like it's usually the other way around with people, but I don't really have the patience to finish an entire book to know the story, because it takes me anywhere between 15 to 20 days to read an entire book, but it's only going to take me about like hour or two to watch a movie to know the story. So I would rather watch it, and I like things to be more graphical rather than imaginative, so I'd rather like watch a movie than read a book. Next up we have, what did you want to become as a teenager? So I actually have a lot of things that I wanted to become. I wanted to become an actress when I was a teenager. I wanted to do TV ads and TV commercials and all of that. I actually wanted to like be a part of Bollywood, but my parents did not want me to do anything like that. They did not really approve of the movie industry, so that's something that my parents did not support me of, and I had to like drop that idea. Then I wanted to become a software engineer, and I actually like started this course of computer applications, and हर एक चीज़ मेरे सिर के ऊपर से गई. I just realized that okay, this is not something that's meant for me. Even though I love using all of these applications and everything, creating one is just not my thing. So I had to drop that idea as well. And then I also considered a few more lines. I wanted to be in the advertising industry where I would create ads. Like I would create the concept of ads and everything, and that's one of the reasons why I did my masters in marketing. But somehow then I just started with YouTube, and I was enjoying this job so much that I did not really want to go for another corporate job, and that's why I did not do advertising. But if I wasn't doing YouTube, I would definitely be in the advertising industry. That is something that I'm really passionate about. The next question is, how do you recharge? So by recharge, if you mean like what I do when I'm tired, or what I do when I'm feeling overwhelmed and all of that, then I just have one answer: I watch Friends. It's like the best thing on this planet. It's the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I just wish I had a life like them. It would be so much fun. Like just watching them be the way they are is so much fun, and that's a show that's actually got me out of depression. That's a show that really cheers me up when I'm at my lowest, and that's just something that I always watch when I'm feeling lonely, or when I'm feeling sad, or when I just need some cheering up. I watch that show. It's one of the best things on this planet. If you haven't watched Friends yet, what are you doing with your life? Just go and watch it. You are gonna love it. And my favorite character would be Chandler. I absolutely love him, and turns out my husband is exactly like Chandler, and I am the Monica in my house. So yeah, we can actually relate to a lot of things. So I'm done with the application of this vitamin C sleeping mask, and I have a very cooling sensation on my face, and I'm just gonna go to bed for a while, for like an hour or two, so that I can stay up at night. And yeah, I'm just gonna like get up, show you the results, show you the glow that it's given to my skin. Usually I just keep this overnight, and in the morning it does provide an amazing glow, a visible glow on my skin. But I just want to see like what it can do in like 1 or 2 hours. So let me just go to bed for a while, sleep, take rest, and meet you in some time. Okay, so I just got up, and this is how my skin looks like. Can you see how radiant it is? I just love the way it looks. It's glowing so much. So yeah, the skincare routine has worked its magic in just like an hour and a half. That's just how much I slept, and you don't even have to wait overnight for the sleeping mask to do its magic. It's like gonna work out in an hour or two also. That is just how amazing it is. So I highly recommend you like try out this routine, this vitamin C routine from Mamaearth. It's amazing. Their products are top notch to give you like a glow on your skin. And in case if you want to shop from them, then you can buy them from Amazon, from Nykaa, and from their website, that is mamaearth.in. And in case if you shop it from there, then you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, to get a 20% off on their products. Also, if the products that I use today and all other Mamaearth products are free from harmful toxins like parabens, silicone, mineral oil, and they are infused with a lot of natural ingredients like plant-based ingredients. And also Mamaearth does a lot for the environment. They are actually planning on planting more than 1 million trees by the end of 2025, and you can actually help them by shopping from their website, because every time that you shop from Mamaearth's website, they link your order to a tree that they plant. So by shopping for their products, you're actually contributing to the environment as well. And they also don't do any cruelty to animals. Their products are free from animal cruelty. They do not test their products on animals, so that's again a plus point. So yeah, you can definitely like try these products and get this kind of a glow on your skin. I am like all set for my night out, for my sleepover today, and yeah, I love the way my skin looks right now. I couldn't really answer all of your questions today because I had very limited time. I have to get going. I have to like do some household chores and then get done with some editing and everything, and then leave for my night out. So I'm gonna be pretty late if I just keep talking to you guys. So I'm gonna leave the rest of the questions for my next chit chat session, which is gonna happen pretty soon. So stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, do follow me on Instagram if you're not doing that already. The direct link will be in the description box below, so you can check that out. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.